for today's video ay ito naman ang website na ating pag-uusapan ngayon, itong si Fiverr. If you know how to make a resume or if you know how to manage an email, so pwede ka dito. Email management. So, magkano ba talaga ang pwede nating kikitain dito sa Fiverr? So, if you know how to manage an email, ito po, pwede po kayong mag-charge ng kahit na magkano. If you have skills, so, this is email management. So I will manage your email marketing in Klaviyo. So he charge $100. I will manage Shopify email marketing specialist $15. If you know how to make a resume, kung may talent ka or may skills ka sa paggawa ng resume, so resume writing. Okay. Here, I will design and write the best student CV resume. I will review, edit, write resume, CV, HR recruiter. Okay, I will write your CV resume cover letter. Optimize LinkedIn. I will deliver. So they charge up to $100, guys. So as you can see, meron siyang 1K order. So napakalaki ng kikitain mo dito. You can pwede po itong maging extra income or yung income na talaga na pang habang buhay na income na if you know how to make a resume or handle an email, and even mag-change ng background, okay, ng photo, mag-edit. Okay po, photo editing, kung meron po kayong talent sa photo editing or skills. Okay, here, photo editing. So I will do professional photo editing, photo manipulation. I will do any Photoshop editing. If you have a skill, so pwede ka dito. So, go na sa fiverr.com and then mag-sign in na po kayo. If you don't know how to start, pwede po kayong manood ng mga YouTube video kung paano mag-start dito sa Fiverr. Much better po para alam niyo po yung step by step na gagawin para makapag-umpisa po dito sa Fiverr. And I hope na nakatulong ito sa mga wala pang trabaho. So, try niyo po pumunta sa Fiverr and then start na po. Please, don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you.